To set up your SD card for the N64 Flashcartmenu, written guide in the description. Using your PC, insert the SD card and ensure it is formatted for compatibility with your flashcard. FAT32 and EXFAT are fully supported on the SC64. To do this, right-click on the drive and press Format. Choose your file system and press Start. Go to the Releases page on the Flashcartmenu GitHub, and assuming you are using a SummerCart64, download the latest file called SC64 menu.n64. Now add this file to the root directory of your SD card by dragging and dropping it in. Now create a folder called menu in the root of your SD card. Now open the menu folder and make a new folder inside called emulators. And while still inside of the menu folder, make a new folder called 64DDIPL. Now to install Neon 64, which is a NES emulator, go to this link, which will be in the description, and choose either the latest version, signaled by this green tick, or a pre-release, which is in orange. Click on the hyperlink and install the zip file that looks similar to this, depending on the version. Now to install Sodium 64, which is a SNES emulator, go to this link, which will be in the description, and install this zip file. Now for Game Boy and Game Boy Color, go to this link, which is in the description, and press the download emulator button. Now copy all of the emulator files you just downloaded to the emulator folder on your SD card. If you are on Windows 10 or 11, there will be no need to extract them. For example, for GP64, you'll copy these files and paste them in here. This is what your emulators folder should look like when you are finished. Now for 64DD support, go to this link, which will be in the description. Scroll down to 64DD IPL setup and click this link to download. Open the file you just downloaded and now press menu, then 64DD IPL. Then copy these three files and paste them into your 64DD IPL folder on your SD card. The 64DD IPL folder should now look like this. You can store ROMs however you want, apart from in the menu folder. You can have them in the root, you can have them in a folder, or even a folder in a folder. But whatever you do to organize your ROMs, do not put them in the menu folder. When you save a game, a folder called Saves appears wherever your ROM is stored. For example, if I store my ROMs in a folder called Favorite Games, in that folder there will be my ROMs, and a folder called Saves. All ROMs in this video were obtained legally. If you have any questions, please use the N64 Discord server. People there will be happy to help you as long as you're appreciative. If this video was helpful, subscribe. Thanks for watching, have a good day.